Welcome back to Past Quest, where we take a journey through time and space to unravel the mysteries of the universe. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most mesmerizing chapters of cosmic history, the formation of galaxies and stars. But how did they come to be? How did the glowing dots we see in the night sky begin their journey from clouds of gas and dust? Stay tuned as we break it all down. The story begins around 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Up until this point, the universe was an opaque soup of free-floating particles, electrons, protons, and photons, unable to form atoms. But as the universe expanded and cooled, something magical happened. This period is known as the era of recombination. During this time, the universe finally cooled enough for protons and electrons to combine and form the very first atoms, mostly hydrogen, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe. With electrons locked into place, light was finally able to travel freely, and for the first time, the universe became transparent. This event released what we now see as the cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow left over from the Big Bang, still visible in the universe today. Although the universe was now transparent, it was still quite dark. The first stars and galaxies had yet to form. This period, known as the Dark Ages, lasted for about 100 million years. During this time, the only light that existed came from the dim glow of the cosmic microwave background. The universe was mostly a vast cold expanse of neutral hydrogen gas, waiting for something extraordinary to happen. But amidst the darkness, gravity was hard at work. Tiny irregularities in the density of matter began to grow. These overdense regions acted like seeds, pulling in surrounding gas and matter, eventually becoming the birthplaces of the first galaxies. The first stars, known as population 3 stars, were massive giants made almost entirely of hydrogen and helium. These stars were different from the stars we see today because they formed in a universe that lacked heavier elements like carbon or oxygen. So, how did these first stars ignite? Under the force of gravity, clouds of hydrogen gas began to collapse in on themselves. As the gas compressed, it heated up, eventually reaching millions of degrees. At these extreme temperatures, nuclear fusion ignited, transforming hydrogen into helium and releasing immense amounts of energy. These first stars burned incredibly hot and lived short lives, only a few million years. But they played a crucial role in shaping the universe. Their violent deaths, through supernova explosions, spread heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen throughout the cosmos. These elements would later be crucial for the formation of planets and life itself. While the first stars were forming, so too were the first galaxies. But what exactly is a galaxy? A galaxy is a vast collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. The first galaxies were small, irregular clumps of stars, but over time they merged and collided, growing larger and more structured. The process of galaxy formation is thought to be hierarchical. Small galaxies merge to form larger ones. This is why we see galaxies of various sizes and shapes today, from giant elliptical galaxies to beautiful spirals like our own Milky Way. But not all galaxies formed peacefully. Many were involved in violent collisions with other galaxies, which triggered bursts of star formation and significantly altered their shapes. About 9 billion years after the Big Bang, the Milky Way began to take shape. It's a barred spiral galaxy with over 100 billion stars. Our solar system is located in one of its spiral arms, about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. But the Milky Way's story is not over. Even now, our galaxy is still growing. In a few billion years, it will collide with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy in an epic cosmic merger. Although this sounds catastrophic, the vast distances between stars mean that few, if any, stars will actually collide. Instead, the galaxies will dance around each other, eventually merging into a new, even larger galaxy. And so, from the first stars to the galaxies we call home, the universe has been constantly evolving. The birth of galaxies and stars laid the foundation for everything we see today, from planets to life itself. And the universe? Well, it's still growing and changing every day. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the cosmic history of the universe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Your support helps us continue to explore the wonders of the universe together. Until next time, keep wondering and keep exploring. Subscribe for more cosmic history videos. Leave a comment on what topic you'd like us to explore next. Hit the like button if you're fascinated by the universe.